Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off friend streaks in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Duolingo app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, then tap on preferences, and here we can tap on friend streaks to turn it off, or if we want to have it, then we can just tap on it again and turn it back on, and yeah, then we can just check out how our friends are doing, if they are sticking to their commitment that are going to have a 100-day streak or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.